This is OB19 and this is the signature overview video. I'm going to tell you every single thing you need to know about this truck right here that we are giving away. So check it out, baby. Let's go. All right, so once again, we kind of did something a little different here at Omaha Supply Co. Here is OB19, our 19th giveaway. It sounds crazy saying that we've done 19 of them. Where's the time gone, Mitch? We've never given away a truck by itself, ever. That's straight up. That's the first thing I'm talking about. We've never given away a truck by itself. It's always had a trailer attached to it or equipment attached to it or a skid steer. A lot of you guys, I see in the comments, don't necessarily want all the equipment all the time. So we decided to do the shortest giveaway ever at 30 days long, 4 weeks of just a 2500 Ram Laramie, and it's a beautiful paint matched monstrosity vehicle. I mean, this is the ultimate daily driver in my opinion. It's not too flashy, it's very capable. It's a 2020 Ram 2500, it has 12,000 miles on it, and it's super clean. And we have a little bit of a spice to it. Once you get around the back, I'll show you what we're kind of doing a little bit different this time too as well. And I kind of left the chrome paint match style on there because I just think it looks really clean. That's something we look for in a truck, and that's what we have here. So it's on 20-inch method. Geez, it's not even method, dude. 20-inch KMCs, bro. On 20-inch milled and stainless KMCs. I don't know what the exact style that'd be called, but they're KMC wheels. It's an off-road look. It's basically a method competitor. I like these more. These look really sweet in my opinion. They're on 37s and they're 1250. So 37, 1250, 20 KMCs. Now let's talk about the suspension. It's very, very unmodified as it comes to our giveaway trucks. So it's sitting on a Carli leveling coil with a 4-link Flight Fab setup on the front, and it's on Fox 2.0s. It's very, very simple. It's very, very clean. Nothing crazy, and it rides great. Like I said, it's a great daily driver, but if you want to throw a gooseneck or trim the back of it or work it or fill it up with gravel, it's not compromised, especially with this wheel and tire setup. So suspension follows wheel and tire. It's total OEM plus style truck. The cowboys up top are paint matched, that nice flat white, and then we tint the windshield 35%, obviously stock painted hood. The grill bezel around is paint matched, just chrome before on a Laramie. This is also chrome on a Laramie. And then the back pieces of the grill, we paint match inside, like inside the grill, and left these chromes. I think it makes a nice broad presence where it looks sophisticated and it just looks really good, man. It's not a full white out like Richie Rich person truck. You know what I mean? I think when you see all white trucks, it looks a little
aggressive.
To pull off a white on chrome look, only certain, like a Chevy can't do this. It'll look gross.
This is definitely the boss one.
You know what I'm saying? It looks good. It doesn't look like too much. It looks OEM plus. So it looks like it came from factory. Down here as well, so I get on my rambles, but down here as well, these are obviously the matte texturized plastic. We sand them down, paint them. Headlights inside have been torn apart, pulled apart, painted, and the front fascia on the front of the truck has been painted, and then the valance underneath has also been painted. You know, everything's been taped off correctly. Your 360 camera still works good, and it's all solid. So move down the side of the truck, Mitch. Same thing here. Painted the lower half of the mirrors and then kept the chrome uppers, so the thing looks pretty solid. Looks like a reminds you of Texas for some reason. I don't know why chrome on Rams reminds you of straight Texas trucks. Don't know why, but it does. Coming on the side of it, fender flares, factory fender flares actually, so they're very convenient. They've already been paint matched for the factory. You have your wheels here, and then you have the rear of the truck, which is paint matched taillights, paint matched bumper step, paint matched rear valance, and then paint matched door handles. I think it's not paint match. And then something a little fun. Back there, what's that?
Oh, a little American force there?
Oh, that hurt. You got that on video? Fuck, how do you even do that? All right, I don't know, my brain hurts now. Why do we have this gigantic wheel in the back? Well, you pop it off. Oh, okay. If you don't like this wheel setup, and it's not your style, and you're, hey, that's kind of boring, I could do it on my own. Well, we have a $10,000 set of American Forces that you can pick from. So, what's cool is some people will offer you a truck that is completely unusable. And these wheels are unusable. That's why they're not in the truck right now, because you can't pull and grasp them without damaging something. but they look really cool. And if you're about that life and you want to show your truck off and look fancy, like these look much better on this truck than these do, but there's no usability behind them. Nonetheless, you have the option of taking on this truck plus, hold on Mitch, $20,000 in cash. And then you get to pick if you want the 37-inch tire package or if you want the 24, 14, 33-inch tire package. All right, so there we are. We're in the 2020 Laramie 2500. It's a super, super nice truck. Somehow, I'm a Ram guy now. I was always a Ford guy. I'm a Ram guy. I'm gonna tell you everything I like about this truck. So let's start her up. A little nice warm start action. This truck does have 12,000 miles on it. So low mileage truck. It is 2020, but nothing has changed from the interior wise from 2019 to 2023. I think it's a 6-inch little data screen right here. So basically you can go through here, you have commercial settings. So if this is a work truck for you guys, you can set up commercial settings and pins and stuff like that for your employees. This is your adjustment screen, so you can customize what information goes where. So upper left, right now it currently is what direction we're facing. We're facing south, but I can change that by simply clicking to the right and dropping down. Everything is controlled, by the way, on the steering wheel right here, but I can simply change that to, I don't know, my outside temperature. It's really, really configurable. You can configure all 4 corners of the screen and this little bar right here. Very, very convenient, very customizable. I love that Dodge lets you customize the main screen. I mean, you're driving this truck hundreds of hours, if not thousands of hours at some point. Also down to the right, it tells you your trailer brakes right here. So physical button, but you move that along and boom, it tells you how much brakes you're actually using. Very, very convenient, very nice. Drop down to the other section, trip info. Obviously you can see your trip, gas, fuel mileage, time driven, etc. Fuel economy. Shout out to Cummins, by the way. This thing's been idling a lot, and we're still getting 14 miles a gallon. Obviously, normal cruise control, gear up, gear down, gear selector. On the left side of the truck, I'm acting like you guys know what this truck is. I'm assuming you guys have never been in a 5th-gen Ram. So, left side is all controls with lighting and window switches, mirrors, etc. So, you have fog lights, your bed lights, interior, and then gauges. Auto windows for the front too, and then manual for the back. Unlock and lock, door handle. You have memory position seats, which is really, really cool. It's Laramie, pretty much fully loaded. We have nice, beautiful leather in here, and it gives you all the options like memory seats exactly. Over here you have your 4 high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive, and hill descent control options. Really, really cool. So right here is the screen of all screens, dude, in the automotive industry. They do a great job, man. This has been since 2019. They implemented these screens. And a few of them are wonky. Like people get glitches on a few of their screens, but I've really never had a personal experience with any of these screens being bad. Very intuitive. Your radio here, you can select your media source. You can drop down to USB or CarPlay or Sirius XM. You have all your FM, AM, XM, CarPlay, wired CarPlay. Sorry. Move from there. You have your control section pop up. You have heated, ventilated seats, which is huge. You have backup cameras. You have a surround sound 360 camera, which is huge. Cargo camera, which is huge. Back there you can see the nice wheels sitting in the back of the bed. And then you have your passenger controls, heated seat, ventilated seat, also heated steering wheel, which is sweet. I think that everyone probably enjoys that. So, navigation screen, very, very intuitive, very nice. It shows the whole screen, super sweet. And then you have your phone, where you can pair a phone, and then you have your backup cameras. Auxiliary 1 to 6 down here, physical buttons. You want to put a light bar and a backup light and rock lights. There you go, right? So very, very convenient. Tow haul mode, diesel specific engine braking right here. Very, very, very important if you're towing. Very intuitive. I love that. They have a manual and a auto section. Front and rear parking brakes. Anyways, now coming to the passenger side. Nice little storage up top. You have your glove box down here. And it's very, very simple, basic stuff. Trim pieces are nice fake carbon up here. Nice white, silver there. Pretty sweet. You have your normal, not digital backup sunglasser holder or whatever you want to put in there. Coins, I don't know, it'd be kind of weird. And then you have your bed drop button, so you can drop your bed from up here. Very, very convenient. Your back window, open and close. And then you have SOS and assistant button and your lighting buttons up here, so you can turn the light on and off, and you can turn on all at once or off at once. visor. You have controls to plug into your garage at home. And past that, dude, you have a huge center console. So you have a top down with like a nice little felt on here. You could put like a watch in, or coins, or stuff you don't want to get scratched, or your gun, what do you want to put in there, with a USB sitting right there. And then you can drop down, open the second one up, and a huge trench. Literally I call it a trench because like you can put so much crap in here. And this slides back, and like I love, this is one big pass through. So from here to here is one big thing. So you can put whatever you want in here. I don't know. Put a bunch of gold bars in if you want. Doesn't matter. 115, 120 volt right there. Boom. Simple. 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and if you close it back up, close it right here. You have $20,000 in the couple that comes with the truck. So this entire beautiful interior plus $20,000. Don't forget that. And here is the seat, the driver's seat, as you can tell. There's nice little suede accents in here on top of the normal nice thick leather Laramie embroidery right there, and big old fat headrest. The fat American head right there, dude. None to say the least, though. This thing is an awesome interior. Definitely by far the best truck interior nowadays, besides maybe a 2023 Chevy 2500. Like, those are pretty badass, but other than that, these are pretty slick. I mean, you can't really beat a 5th gen Ram. We're the company that gives everyone multiple options all the time. It's usually a truck, a trailer, machine. If you don't like that, then it's cash, or a truck and 60 grand, or truck, trailer, machine. And it's like, we wanted to do a truck giveaway because you've been asking for it, but we can't just do a truck giveaway. We're like, what if they don't like the wheels? Well, here's a better option. Here's for you, you know what I mean? So that's us. We like to give you guys options. There is no cash on this giveaway. You get the truck no matter what. You win the truck, you get the truck. Along with the truck, it's $20,000, and then you get a pick on the 37s or the 33s. I'm never repeating myself again, but I just want to make that very, very clear. So there's 2 ways of winning this truck. Either you go on the website and you buy a badass product like this. You go on there and you get literally a premium knife. I'm not just kidding. Like, I am a huge, on a personal level, I'm a huge gun guy. I'm a huge EDC guy. I carry knives every day. I carry guns every day. I tested about 15 of them, and I put this thing through hell. I gave all the guys, when Mitch had one, every dude that worked for us had one. My parents, my friends, our workers, like, everybody had one of these knives. We tested for like 6 months because I'm weird. Like, I don't want to give someone a knife, tell you it's a premium knife, and then you get the knife and it's a piece of shit. Not about that. Nonetheless, they're super, super high quality products. And if you want to take home a truck like this exact truck, this one right here, plus $20,000 cash, and you get to pick your wheel of choice, buy product on allmusclecycle.com. Or the second form of entry is you get enter for free. You send your postcard in, you read the official rules, you go to our website, you understand what the rules are, you follow the rules, you do what the rules tell you to do, and you can enter and win the truck for free. That's all I really got. So if you guys want to take home this truck, like I said, allmusclecycle.com, hit it up. Let us know if you guys like just the truck giveaways. If you want the machines and trailers and everything to continue on, let us know. Support us. Pick out some of our merch. Like our Instagram. Follow our YouTube. Follow our Instagram. Follow our Facebook. Hit the comments down below. And boys, good luck on OB19 right here. Our 19th giveaway. Can't wait to fly you out and let you drive home your truck across the entire country if you get it. Good luck.